Welcome to Arun classes. Hello friends, I am Arun and our today's topic is Physical Features of India Part 1. Complete chapter in English, and according to our regular strategy, first of all we will discuss the NCERT based theories, then we will cover all the important question answers related to this chapter, and at last video we will get a test to test ourselves. So let's start friends. Physical Features of India. First of all, we will take a look that which topics we are going to cover in this video. So here are the all topics on your screen. Our first topic will be that what are physical topographies and how did these form. And our next and second topic will be the continental drift theory. Third topic, plate tectonic theory, and in fourth topic we will study about the plates movements. And at last the video we will get a test to test our knowledge that how much we can get from this video. And friends, this video is useful for the students who are studying in class 9th and as well as for those students who are preparing for any competitive exams in India. Why? Because the NCERT is the base of general knowledge in India. That's why our all videos are based on NCERT. Our first topic is that what are the topographies. So you have listened many times that our country India has many mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, coastal plains and islands. So what are these all? These all are the topographies. So here we can define the topographies in simple words that various types of landforms found in earth can be known as topographies. Now the question is that how did these all topographies form? So a German geologist Alfred Wegener has given the answer of these all topographies. Means he has given us the two special theories related to these topographies. The first theory in 1912 is the continental drift theory, and the second one is in 1960 the plate tectonic theory. In his theory, Alfred Wegener explained in detail that what is the reason behind the internal and the external activities on the earth, what is the reason behind the formation of all the continents, what is the reason behind the formation of all types of topographies, means landforms. So to get the answer of these all questions we have to understand, we have to get the detailed information of the theories of Alfred Wegener. So now we will study the Alfred Wegener theories one by one. First we will study the continental drift theory given by Alfred Wegener in 1912. In the continental drift theory, Alfred Wegener has told us that million of years ago all the 7 continents of the modern world were together forming a supercontinent Pangaea. Then, due to the internal activities of the earth, this supercontinent Pangaea divided into 2 parts like this: Laurasia or Angara land in north and Gondwana land in south. Then again, due to the internal activities of the earth, these 2 continents also divided into many small parts like this way, and then they got separated and got the current form of 7 continents and 4 oceans of modern world. It was all about the continental drift theory given by Alfred Wegener in 1912, and Alfred Wegener explained this theory in this way. In this theory, Alfred Wegener has told us that the supercontinent Pangaea had divided into 7 continents of the modern world due to the internal activities of the earth. Now the question is that what are the internal activities? Which activities are responsible for the creation of continents? He has given all the answers related to this question in his next theory, the plate tectonic theory given by Alfred Wegener in 1960. In the plate tectonic theory, Alfred Wegener has told us that the main reason behind the internal or external activities of the earth is the sources of energy of core. What is core? So he has told us that the internal part of our earth has divided into three layers. First and the innermost layer of the earth is core, which is the source of energy in the liquid form of magma. Then the second and the middle layer of the earth is mantle. Here this is the layer of mantle. Then the third one and the outermost layer of the earth is crust. It is crust where we found the all 7 continents and 4 oceans. So he explained that the area of core is the source of energy, and this energy try to go towards the crust like this, in this way, and the speed of this energy divides the crust into 7 big geological plates and many small geological plates. Alfred Wegener has given name to the 7 big geological plates like this. These are the 7 geological plates of the earth. First, Eurasian plate. Second, African plate. This is the area of African plates. And third is North American plate. This is the area of North American plate. Fourth one is South American plate. Fifth, Antarctica plate. Here it is. And sixth one is the Indo-Australian plate, the South India and Australian part. And last and seventh one is the Pacific plate. Here it is. So these are the 7 big geological plates named by the Alfred Wegener in his plate tectonic theory. In this plate tectonic theory, Alfred Wegener has also told us about the plate movements and the reason behind the plate movements. So the reason behind the plate movement is the energy source of core is responsible for the plate movements. Now understand that how the plates movements are going in our earth. There are 3 types of plate movements, or we can say there are 3 types of plate boundaries in our earth. First, convergent boundary, second one is divergent boundary, and third one is transform boundary. So what is the convergent boundary? In this convergent boundary, many plates come together and collide with each other, and due to this collision they form the mountains and become the responsible for the earthquakes, volcanoes and other types of activities. And if we talk about the divergent boundary, here the plates go away from each other, and due to the free spare place between them, they form the big mines on the earth and also responsible for the earthquakes and many other activities on earth. If we talk about the transform boundary, here the plates move by rubbing with each other, sometimes left to right or sometimes top to bottom. This is also responsible for the creation of many types of landforms on the earth. So here we have to keep in mind that what is the main reason behind the creation of all types of topographies on earth. So this is the plate movements are responsible for the creation of various types of topographies on earth, various types of landforms on earth, for the formation of continents. So all the internal and external activities are going with the plate movements, means the plate movements are responsible for the all internal or external activities on earth. It was all about the plate tectonic theory given by Alfred Wegener, and he explained these plate movements in this way. Now we have completed the explanation of this part here. In this part, we have learned about the topographies, the continental drift theory, the plate tectonic theory, and the plate movements. Now get ready for the test with pen paper. Take a pen paper and write down the options of the answers understanding by you. And you will get the 5 MCQs question in this test. After the test you will get the answers of the test and you have to match your answers to score. So let's start, friends. First topic of the test is that what is the reason for the formation of different types of topographies, plate movements, continents and oceans. Second question of the test is that according to the Alfred Wegener, the 7% continents were part of which one supercontinent before? Tethys, Pangaea, Eurasia. Third question of the test is that in which plate boundary the plates are collided with each other? Convergent, divergent or transform boundary? Fourth question, in which plate boundary the plates are separated from each other? Convergent, divergent or transform boundary? Fifth and last question of the test is that when did Alfred Wegener give the continental drift theory? In 1910, in 1912, in 1915? So our test is completed here. Match your answers. If you are getting above 3, so your knowledge of this video is good. And if you are unable to get above 3, so you have to watch this video again to improve your knowledge. So friends, our today's video is completed here. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of our videos. Thanks to watch.